Hey guys, Maxmc55 here, and today we're doing an unboxing and a review. So I don't usually do unboxings anymore. I usually do them on live streams, not like this camera angle anymore, just because they don't get views. So what's the point? I'm joking. But I got something special. This is an IDW Megatron upgrade kit, or conversion kit if you prefer, for Siege Megatron. Now I've wanted this for so long, and I thought it would be nice to do an unboxing and a instruction-ish video on like how to actually install it, and a sort of detailed review in case anyone else wants to, you know, buy it. So I got this thing off AliExpress. This is the only place I can really find upgrade kits anymore, especially the 3D printed ones. And yeah, let's just get into it. Hopefully I didn't get scammed. I seem to say that a lot in these videos. I hope I didn't get scammed. Was it because I have been scammed in the past? So anyways. So it comes in a little thing. This usually happens with all AliExpress packages. They come in this weird bubble thing. Anyways, we don't need that. It's this we want. And it looks like we have the parts. I can see the hand, because in this kit there is an alternate hand. And if you don't know, there are two IDW conversion kits for Megatron. There's a more expensive one which comes with more stuff, and you need to like take out pins and all that. And yes, it does look better, but I'm not about pin punching. I don't like doing that. I believe this Megatron kit is only like 5mm pegs and screws. So this one's the better alternative, but it doesn't like look as good as the other one. So it's all what you prefer. So anyways, it comes in this little baggie here, as you can see. Red bubble wrap. Don't care. And yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's the chest. So it comes in a little Ziploc bag, which is great because I need more of those. So here are the hands. They come in their own separate Ziploc bag. Here is, it seems like just the feet, the waist, and the like leg parts, the side leg parts. And then here is like the head and the chest. So they come in their own Ziploc bag, and then here's the Ziploc bag. So that's pretty much it. It comes with 3 Ziploc bags. I don't even think these are Ziploc, are they? I don't know why I keep calling them Ziploc. Anyways, they come in bags. But, yeah, so they are, I mean, they're 3D plastic. I don't know, like, how well they're going to hold up age-wise. But, yeah, there's the head, as it looks pretty cool. And, yeah, it does look like, let me get my Siege Megatron real quick. A darker plastic. It's a little bit darker. We'll get, when we get to the lighting, my studio, we'll see a little bit better. But as you can tell, it's almost there on the color scheme. So yeah, let's get into the studio and assemble this guy. So before actually installing the kit, you do need to do a few things to your Siege Megatron. First, fold in the hands into the arm. Same goes for the other side. And remove the head. Now you can install this kit in any way order you want, but we are going to do the arms first. So first peg this arm piece into the original Siege Megatron arm using the 5mm peg. Then do the same on the other side. Next we will do the shoulders. It is the same connection as the arms. 5mm peg and a 5mm hole. Now do the same on the other side. Be cautious as this peg is very tight. I recommend pressing down the transformation segment on the shoulder while rotating the 5mm peg in. It is the best way to do it, and when you fully click it in, you can align it by pushing down on the transformation clip while pushing the shoulder into the arm. Next we will do the feet. Take these feet slabs and plug the 5mm peg into the 5mm hole. You can do this on the other side as well. Next, take these leg canisters and simply plug them in the 5mm port. Next, do the same on the other side. Next, for the knees, you will take this knee part, and the little thing that juts out on the side will go inside the transformation peg. Simply plug it in, but do be wary, this part is very tight. Now do the same on the other side. Now for the waist. All you need to do is swing around to the back side of Megatron and take out all these 3 screws. Next, take the waist piece assembly out. Then take the leg parts off. Take the back end off. And slide in the new waist extension. Then simply reattach the original waist piece and leg piece. And screw everything back into place. Next for the back barrel. Simply place it on the 5mm port on the back and realign it. Next for the chest, simply overhook it on the chest by using the 2 small clips at the end. You will hear a slight click and push it down into place. Next for the hands, either which one you want, either fist or displayed, it is a 5mm peg that goes on a 5mm hole of the arm you placed on before. And lastly, for the head, simply put it on the 5mm ball joint of the head you took off. Alright, so now before we get into like a more detailed up close look at the kit, I do want to go over some gripes I have with this kit, because again, it's 3D printed, it's not going to be the best. So, 2 things. The chest does not want to stay on. Listen, it sounds like it clicks on when you latch it on, but like that. But it just doesn't want to stay, no matter what you do, because it's a friction. It's not actually tabbing in anywhere, it's just friction. It does come off really easily, which really does suck. But super glue can easily just help that. The pegs for the hands are way too tight. I 100% recommend shaving those down with like a sander or something. It's way too tight to get in, which sucks if you want to just keep swapping them out for the other pair. All the pegs were pretty tight, but not too tight to where I'm scared. I can pretty much take these off if I want to. There's one peg that is really loose. I don't know if I can show it, but this foot thing, it comes instantly off. Now this could be a problem with my copy of this foot, or the fact that these heels are Minor Megatron's heels, because this Megatron I bought is from eBay, it's not mine. So it didn't come with heels, so this is Minor Megatron's heels at the moment. So that could mean, Minor Megatron does not have good QC, so it could just mean that. But again, super glue can help. It just keeps coming off. This thing is loose as well, while this one's like really, really tight, and the chest came off. So yeah, there is a lot of, things coming off. Things are too tight. I mean, this took way too long to try and get it in, while this actually went in pretty all right. And yeah, but overall, the kit, if you had the chest on, looks incredible. It does look like it does look like IDW Megatron. It is generally a great kit. I really wish this would, as you can see, there is a problem with the chest. So I'm happy it's actually happening on camera. But if I could keep that in there just for a little bit, because I do want to do a quick comparison with the other IDW Megatron. So here we go. Here's a little comparison. They're gonna fall because this guy doesn't have heels, and then this guy's foot's come off. But as you can see, both IDW. And it's just great to have an IDW Autobot Megatron, because Hasbro is refusing to make one. And it's annoying because he's the greatest Megatron design, I think, in my opinion, ever. Except for Super Megatron. I'm never getting that figure. He does have 5mm ports right here for guns and stuff. I'll try and find a gun. We have this. Custom tees, I guess. It goes on here. Look. Oh, look. He has a fusion cannon. Oh, that actually went on pretty well. But yeah, I don't have a fusion cannon because, again, this is not my Siege Megatron. So, yeah. He is great, though. He is absolutely great. Head, pretty tight, but pretty good with the range of like articulation. We kind of wish he had more expressions. I mean, they gave us alternate hands. I kind of wish they gave us alternate heads, you know, so it's not just always smirking. But other than that, I think it's good. The detail on this kit is amazing. If things would stay on. Another small thing before we get into details, I found out when I was actually modding this kit on him. The waist is a bit misaligned. As you can see, this just is going a little bit droopy. This is because this part right here is too thick. So I recommend sanding this part down so it makes it more flush with the actual original chest. So this can align with the actual sides of this chest. It also makes it so, you know, it doesn't come off because of how much like mass and just heaviness is on the arms and the back. It will just come off, and it's pretty easy to do so. So yeah, just be careful. But because this technically isn't the waist anymore, it's here. But when you're rotating it, the original race rotates and it rotates off. So I recommend super gluing this part into that part, so nothing goes, you know, off, and the actual waist rotates. Because this waist is extremely tight. Yeah, might have to like probably just loosen up some screws just to get this out a bit. Maybe shave the waist a little, and you'll be fine. You don't have to do any too bad modding, but yeah, it is just kind of annoying. Now here is a big video just going through the entire kit, going in detail with some nice calming music around the background. And yeah, that was my review on IDW Megatron Conversion Kit, the cheapest one you can find on AliExpress. Again, links will be in description. I hope you all enjoyed. Please pick up this kit if you can. It's really cool. If you can pick up the other one, if you don't mind taking out pins, and if you don't mind spending a little bit more money, then go ahead, because Hasbro, just make an all about Megatron already.